Welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather Corinne. Today I'm going to show you how I make a magic circle, since I have been getting a lot of requests for how to make a magic circle or a magic ring, and a lot of my patterns begin with this technique, so I thought I'd give you a quick little how-to on how I make my magic circles. Today I'm working with worsted weight yarn. This happens to be Red Heart Super Saver number 4 worsted weight in the color light jasmine. However, you can use any yarn or crochet hook that corresponds for this technique. I am also using a size G or 4mm crochet hook. To begin, I'm going to place my left hand palm up with my thumb on top, fingers pointed to my right, and place the working end of the yarn across the top of my fingers with the bottom at my pinky. I'm going to use my thumb to hold it down, and I'm going to wrap it around one time. Now I can use my thumb to hold the second piece down now that we've wrapped it all the way around. And when I flip my hand over, we have a magic ring. So place the yarn, hold it down with my thumb, wrap it around once, grab the end again, turn my hand over. Now I'm going to place the working yarn to the left of the little circle. Insert the hook underneath the little circle. So this is going to be our working space. Put the yarn to the left, insert the hook under the circle, and yarn over and pull up the working edge of the yarn. Now I like to grab with my right hand to reposition with the left. I've got this little loop on the hook, and we're going to chain 1 to secure the magic circle in place. And this is officially the magic circle. And so we'll be working into the circle for the first round of whatever pattern it is that we'll be using. And so in this case, let's say most of my patterns start with single crocheting 6 into a magic circle. We're going to do it across both of those pieces of yarn to the left. So insert the hook into the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So that is 1 single crochet into the magic ring. Insert the hook through the center, pull up a loop, pull through both loops, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and we're doing this across both of the pieces of yarn inside that magic circle. So this is going to be 6 single crochet into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more. All right, so say this is the end of round 1. I'm going to hold this last stitch with my right hand and the hook rather securely and pull the loose end from the beginning of the magic circle. Just start to tug it until it cinches up. And that's the magic process. So this would be our end of round 1, and we would move directly on to round 2. And so let's say we'll put 1 single crochet into that first stitch of the next round, and we would continue working on our pattern in normal rounds. And so this is how we make a magic circle. Let's do it one more time just for repetition. Left hand out. Place the yarn across the inside of the hand, thumb over the loose end, wrap it around our fingers once, turn our hand over, place the working yarn to the left, insert the hook under the circle, yarn over, pull up the working yarn, hold it with the right hand to reposition, and chain 1. This is our magic circle that we can begin working stitches into. So round 1 of whatever imaginary pattern we're using is going to be 6 single crochet. So we're going to insert the hook into the magic ring around both of the edges of the circle, single crochet. So we're single crocheting around the 2 pieces of yarn inside this circle. So we'll place 6 single crochet. And once we have our 6 single crochet, we're going to grab with the right hand on the last stitch we finished and gently tug on the loose end inside the magic circle until it is pulled tight. Then we would move on to round 2 of our pattern. So I'm just going to place 1 single crochet in this next stitch. And that is how you work a magic circle. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you soon with a new fun project. Let me know if you'd like to see more basic tutorials. Happy crocheting!